on this video today, I'm going to show you the best and the easiest way that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method does not require any investment, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join, but in this case I'm using Digistore24. You can join Clickbank, you can join Max Bounty and many others, but I'm using Digistore24. So I'm going to go ahead and then show you what you can do to make money with affiliate marketing on Digistore24, but you can use the same method on any affiliate marketing network that you want. So once you are on Digistore24, what you need to do is that you have to create an account. You can see I've created my accounts. Once you have created your accounts and login, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on it, you will be able to find a lot of different products that you can promote. You can see these are products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. These products, they are into different categories. So all that you need to do is that you have to come right here, click on it, and then select the category that you want. You can see many categories. In this case, I don't need a specific category. I want products that are selling. I want products that I can easily get a sale. To get products that you can easily get a sale, what you need to do is that you have to sort the products. Right now, you can see all the products have been sorted based on their popularity. We don't need their popularity. What we need is how easily we can make sales promoting the product. So you have to click right here and then select cart conversion rate. The cart conversion rate is the number of people who click on the link of the product and then go ahead to make a purchase. So the higher the cart conversion rate, the higher the likelihood that you get a sale promoting the product. So once you sell the products based on the cart conversion rate, another thing that you must look at is the commission rate. You can see this product, it has the highest cart conversion rate, but the commission rate is low. So we are going to scroll down and then select a product that has high cart conversion rate and then high commission rate. So you can scroll down and then make your selection. You can see a whole lot of different products. You can see this one right here. We are going to be earning $99.10 per every sale that we get. The cart conversion rate is 33%. That is also high, so we can promote a product like this. You can see this one, the cart conversion is 30%. The commission rate is $138.40 per every sale that you get. So I think it is better to promote this product, but you can promote any of the products that you want. There's no restriction. You can promote any product that you want. In my case, I'm promoting this one. So all that you need to do is that you have to click on the product. Once you click on it, you see a page like this. You can click on sales page so that you can look at the landing page of the product. If it is the first time you're promoting the product, it is better for you to look at the sales page of the product. Once you have seen the landing page of the product, the next step is that you have to begin selling. You have to promote it to people so that they can click on your affiliate link and then make a purchase. So now the next step is that you have to find a traffic source. There are many traffic sources that you can use to promote your affiliate link. You can run Facebook ads, you can run Instagram ads, Pinterest ads, Google ads, or any platform that you are comfortable with. You can run ads on that platform and then drive traffic to your affiliate link. Once people click on it, they are going to purchase the product that you are promoting so that you can be able to make money from home wherever you are in the world. In this case, I'm going to show you a free quality traffic source that you can use to get people to click on your product and then make the purchase for you to make money. The platform that we are going to be using to drive traffic is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is one of the best traffic sources that you can use to get people to click on your link and then make purchase so that you can be earning a commission with affiliate marketing. One good thing about LinkedIn is that you can post videos for free, you can post your articles for free, you can post your images for free and then get a lot of thousands of people who can click on your affiliate link. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to ask ChatGPT so that it will write an article for us. Once it writes the article, we can publish it on this platform and then drive traffic to our affiliate link. So what we have to do is that we have to come back on Digistore24. Once you come back, highlight and copy the name of the product that you are promoting. Once you copy the name of the product, the next step is that you have to come on ChatGPT and then write a prompt like this. Write an article about this product and include a call to action. Once that is done, paste the name of the product right here. Once that is done, click on send so that it can write a full article for you. As you can see, ChatGPT is writing the article. You can also use DeepSeek. You can use any AI that you want. As you can see, ChatGPT has finished writing the article. Now what you have to do is that you have to come back on LinkedIn and then click on write article. Once you click on it, you can see upload an image. You need to upload an image. So the product is related to hearing, so we can just search for the product image and then upload it right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on Digistore 24. Once you come back on Digistore 24, highlight and copy the name of the product again, come on Google and then paste it right here. Once you paste it, search. Once you search, click on images and you can see these are all images of the product. Right click on any of the images and then download it. Once you download the image, click right here, upload from computer. Once you click on it, select your image and then upload it. You can see this is the image. Click on next. Once you click on next, you can see the image has been uploaded. Now what you have to do is that you have to paste the title of your article right here. So come back on ChatGPT. Once you come back, you can see this is the title. Highlight it and then copy the title. Once you highlight and copy it, come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, paste the body of the article here. So come back on ChatGPT, highlight everything in the article. Once you highlight it, copy, come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Now once you have your article, you can see everything. You can insert your affiliate link in this article. You can see under the article there's a call to action right here. So what we need to do is that we have to insert our affiliate link here. So come back on Digistore 24. Once you come back on Digistore 24, click on copy promo link. Once you click on copy promo link, come back, highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, you can see this icon, click on it and then paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste, click on apply. You can see that has been done. You can see the name of the product right here. Highlight it, click on link and then paste your affiliate link, click on apply. You can see that has been done. Now once that is done, click on next. Once you click on next, you can write a brief description of your article right here. Just come back on ChatGPT and then highlight the introduction of your article. Just highlight the introduction of your article, highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to paste it right here. Paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click on publish. Once you click on publish, you can see congrats on publishing your latest article. So your article has been published. You can share it on other platforms. You can see this, you can share it on Facebook, you can share it on X, any of the platforms that you want. You can share your article. Apart from that, you can see this is your article. You can see everything in the article. So people are going to read it. Once they read it, they can click on your affiliate link and then make a purchase, and you are going to be earning money from home wherever you are in the world. There are thousands of people who visit LinkedIn daily. So it doesn't matter the number of followers that you have. Even if you have one follower, this article is still going to be pushed to thousands of readers. So you are going to be making money even if you have one follower or 0 followers. That is it for today's video. Make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money from home wherever you are in the world. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.